A little bit ago, I was inside working on the computer, got the windows out, open to cool the house off, and all of a sudden it was like the cannons from the 1812 overture going off, and now I see why. But that one was right above the house here, above the city here, and it rumbled and shook the house, and it was rumbling when I got out here. But wow, you just look what's going on over there. This is not a voiceover. I'm holding the phone here, so whoa, I just missed the one over there. It's lighting up the whole sky all around, stuff going on. It's going to be an interesting night. Yeah, this is a lot of lightning. Whoa, that was a good one. I missed half of it to the right, and there it goes off to the. I need a panoramic camera out here. This is just absolutely insane. It's going all got 360. Oh, geez, 360 degrees. Wish that street light wasn't there. Let's see what next going on. Dang, I just can't keep up with it. It keeps jumping around. All right, so the majority of this where I'm aiming is to the southeast. There is some stuff going off to the east and the northeast and the south and the west. And it's just, yeah, okay, it's going on everywhere but north. Geez, that went everywhere. That was just flashing everywhere. You know what? I think I'm going to go back inside here now. I think this is long enough. I mean, it's like when something's flashing in six different directions at once, different lightning strikes at the same time. Yeah, I mean, there's been over in the 3 minutes here. There's been well over 100 lightning flashes. All right, see you guys later.